Good morning, my dear children. Now we are going to discuss the last lesson in block 9 today. In last classes we were discussed about many things, many organs inside and outside our body. So in today's class we will discuss how can we take care of these organs. We know that we have many organs inside our body even when we cannot see that organs. Then how can we take care of them? That is what we are going to discuss in today's class. Okay, are you ready? The name of the lesson is being active is very important. What is the name of lesson? Being active is very important. Okay, now you stand up, all of you. Stand up, then sit down. Stand up, sit down. Very good. I will sing one rhyme and do some actions. You need to sing and follow me. Will you do that? Okay, now we are going to sing. If you happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you happy and you know it, then you really want to show it. If you happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you happy and you know it, jump up high. If you happy and you know it, jump up high. If you happy and you know it, then you really want to show it. If you happy and you know it, jump up high. If you happy and you know it, nod your head. If you happy and you know it, nod your head. If you happy and you know it, then you really want to show it. If you happy and you know it, nod your head. Very good, children. You did really well. Okay. How do you feel after doing some actions after the rhyme? Are you happy now? What all parts, internal or external, being used while doing these activities, children? We did some actions, right? While doing these actions, what are the parts being used? Okay, we use both internal and external body parts while doing these actions, right? We felt very active, energetic and very happy after doing these actions with the rhyme. Am I right? Have you enjoyed? I enjoyed really well. Okay, what about you? I hope you could enjoy. Hands, legs, brain, heart, all these organs also we used to do this action. We should help at home and do exercises daily. We can do many things at home. What we can do at your home? You can help your parents, right? Then you can make your own bed, polishing shoes, watering plants, walking, cycling, playing. All such activities will keep us very healthy and active. Okay. Sitting lazy without doing any activities is not good. Okay. If you want to be healthy, energetic and active, you should do some exercises and you always do some activities. Being physically active means using our body parts. Understood? We should use all our body parts for being very active. Playing games, running, jumping, cycling, etc. will make you physically fit and healthy. What do you mean by healthy, children? Healthy means being well and feeling good and happy. What activities are you doing, children, after school? You may doing many activities, right? Yeah, after playing, what do you feel? After playing, we will be more happy and healthy, no? We will feel very energetic after playing sometimes. That will make you mentally and physically very active. These activities make our organs move. That means if any organ is not working for a long time, it will become inactive. For you also, if you are not playing for long time, what you will feel? You will feel very lazy, no, for playing and all. So keep doing all activities every day. In a day to day basis, you have to do all such activities. But I doesn't mean playing always, okay? You can do some useful activities also, like you can help your parents, and you can water the plants, and such useful activities you can do. Okay, then children, you have a passage in your content book. On page number 5, you have a passage to read. I will read that paragraph for you. You should follow me by touching the lines with your fingers. Okay, take your content book and listen carefully. The heading: Keeping Healthy and Active. To keep all our organs healthy, we need to eat healthy food and exercise. We should play outdoors every day. We should also keep ourselves and our surroundings clean. Understood? Okay. Then tell me, what are the ways to keep healthy and active? Okay, here we have some pictures also. What the children are doing? They are playing. They are playing with their friends, and in the other picture, the girl is eating a very healthy food. Now we can finish S4 in our workbook. Write the date, all of you, and try to read the heading. What was the heading? Being active is important. Okay, listen to the first question. Mary thinks that playing football is a good physical activity. Mary thinks that playing football is a very good physical activity. Write why Mary thinks so. Why Mary is thinking so? Playing football can keep her very active, healthy, and energetic. That is why she is thinking that football is a good physical activity. You can write the reasons there in the column. And the next question, tick the activities that can help us stay active. Some activities, pictures of some activities are given there. You need to tick only there. Look at the pictures carefully. Okay, first picture I will explain for you. He is making his own bed. He is not depending his parents to keep the bed sheets in proper way. He is doing it himself. Will this activity help him to be very active? What are you thinking? Then the next activity, watering plants. Next, eating healthy food. Next, arranging shoes in proper way. Last, how can these activities help us stay healthy? How can these activities help us to keep our body very healthy? We need to be active always. If we are not using our organs, it will become inactive. I told you no. Okay, the same answer you write in your own sentence. Okay, children, complete S4. Write practice question 7 and 8 in your notebook, and also do some exercises every day. Stay healthy and active. Thank you.